So, if you recall, I made a video about how to make viral shots on YouTube, where I say look for a song, a particular song on the YouTube library, you add it to your 15 seconds YouTube short video, and then you upload it. And I gave you evidences of a particular video I made on my another channel where the videos went had a lot of views within 2 days. Now, so after consideration and more testing, I realized something. Original videos on shorts do do very well. The performance are off the charts when compared to videos where you add music from YouTube library. Let me go to the one of the channels that I'm trying. I'll try to show you how the evidence of where this has actually happened. So I'll go to the channel right now. No, it's my other channel. So let me go to my channel. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So when I started out, I realized that whenever I uploaded videos with added short videos with added sounds, it doesn't get the right it gets traction, but sometimes the tractions are limited. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So where's the okay? So this one, yeah, this one is a typical example of what I mean. So this short, I added the volume wasn't there, so I added this YouTube. I added this song from the YouTube library. This song that's not copyrighted. So you can see that the video has, I think, well over 100 views. The video has, hold on. The short video has over 100 views. Now, the next video I uploaded after that, I used the original sound of the game I was playing. So let me show you what I mean. So there's no added sound to this video. This is the exact sound. I didn't add any background music to it from YouTube library. I didn't choose any song. I was just using the original sound of the game I was playing. So as you can notice that the view went up from, I think the last video was about 100. So this video went to about 1,000 views. Now the next one I tried out, the next shots I tried out, I immediately went straight to I immediately used the sound, the original sound of the game when I was uploading it. So let's see this one also. So the sound you are hearing in this background is the sound of the game. I did not add anything else. As I can see, there's a little over ordinary engagement of this video. So let's go back to mine. So from then I realized, so this was the video I just finished watching. So from then we noticed that whenever I wanted to upload videos, for the most part, as creators on YouTube, we do understand that sometimes you upload videos, some of them do well, and sometimes they don't do well. So for the next couple of videos, shorts I uploaded, this one didn't do well. But look at this one. I used the same method. Original sound. I put the original sound, I didn't add anything to it. You can see that the views went up. The same thing with this. The same thing with this. As you can see, the views go up. The view continues to go up. So sometimes when you're looking at this kind of metric and realize that, okay, I'm trying something and it's working, you have to have at the back of your mind that sometimes you might try it out, it might work, and sometimes it might not work, especially as a YouTube creator. This is my subscriber count. Can you see the number? I have just 76 subscribers. So it's not my subscribers that are actually watching the videos. This is going way beyond my subscribers. So what I'm trying to say is that this method of adding the original, using original sound compared to picking sounds from YouTube library and adding to your short video, what I've noticed is that when all things are equal, the video where you use original sounds gets pushed better compared to the one where you added sound from the YouTube library. So that's what I've observed. So I'm gonna be uploading this video, and if you have any questions on how to go about the dimensions and every other thing that you want to get at, you can always drop a comment under this video. So if you like this video, you can like it, share it, to people that might need this kind of help. Also share it to your friends that might be running into trouble into making their short soar. So that's it for the video. I'm just showing the kind of metrics that I can obtain on this gaming channel. Now you might try this on other niches. It might not work as much as it does this. Sorry, it might not work like it did on this channel, because you have to understand, this is a gaming channel that I just niched down. So you need to understand that this might not work on your niche, but so far so good. I think with the evidence that I have right here, it's well enough over average. So if you have any questions, you can drop your comments below this video and let me know what you think about it. And if I would like you to share this video to people that might be interested in this kind of help. Finally, like and subscribe to my channel so this channel can grow. Thank you.